Okay guys, welcome back. So we're just going to have a quick look at the bonnet pins that we offer. We do get a lot of inquiries and questions relating to them, so I think it's prudent that we just do a very quick video. Again, this is something that you can fit to an older Zero, but most modern Zeros now, and certainly the Gen 2 chassis, are all pre-drilled on the panels. So it's simply a case of drilling through, putting a riv nut, and then screwing these into there, a bit of Loctite, and then obviously mark the corresponding place on the bonnet, drill through the bonnet. And the idea being, obviously, it locates the bonnet in a very nice position, nice and flush. You don't get any overhang, and everything is nice and secured. You know it's in the right place every time you put the bonnet down. Now available in two different colours, black and silver. These are available from Kit Spares, and they're pretty much in stock all the time. Okay, so quick demonstration. We're just going to put this bonnet on just to show you. It is worth just noting that this is a Gen 2 car, so not only are the holes drilled here, but they're also drilled in the bonnet, so there's no issue in terms of getting the placement. As you see there, you just push it down, it locates onto there, perfect every time.